Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to check out the Bulkarm Glanz Red Alert, designed by Yuichi Kawamura and Shigeyo Mori. This 1/24th scale kit has about 200 to 400 parts made of PS, PE, and ABS. It was released back in 2020 and it was the first convertible Bulkarm which has a humanoid and a vehicle mode. Now, apart from the color and price differences, we're gonna look at some of the changes in this re-released Bulkarm Glanz. We're gonna start with the head unit. It comes with a metallic blue visor, and most importantly, there's no more protruding horn. And of course, we've got the shield, red, blue, and clear glass, pretty sleek. Not forgetting the rifle, which comes with a detachable magazine. Now, this is my favorite, the Samurai Master Sword. Wait, a sword within a sword? What kind of sorcery is this? Comes with a clear orange, let's focus camera, oh yeah. It comes with a clear orange color, I love it. Now let's try to fix up the humanoid form. Here's the cockpit. It kind of looks like a speedboat. In terms of rotation, of course, the usual left and right. And as for the hand, they have made some changes compared to the Bulkarm Alpha. Let's open up the cockpit and check out how it's like. Pretty cool. All you need to do is to snap it back, but here's the part that I don't really like. Takes some time, but it's okay. Alright, the red and orange tail lights. I really like this color scheme. So it comes with 3 different types of hands. The open type, the close grip type, and one for the weapon. Really good. You can just slot right into the hand with no problem at all. Now let's check out the details to the hands. I kind of wish that you can open the hand and the fingers. You just really gotta be careful with the thumb. And this is the open one. I'm not too sure about the claw looking hand. Next up, let's check out the arms. You can actually swing it outwards, and as usual, you can rotate the biceps, bend the elbow. Let's check out the wrist joint. Not bad. Same thing goes to the right, but if you want to attach your hand, you just have to put it right in. Easy. What do you guys think? So the arm for Bulkarm Glanz, I would say, is much better than the Bulkarm Alpha. Let's hook it up and we are done with the upper body. Here's another thing. You can actually attach the shield to this part of the forearm. Very simple. Just snap it on. Looking good. This part right here, you're just gonna watch out. It can get a little bit annoying at times, but I'm super excited to give a weapon. Let's try with the rifle. Or actually, let's give him the Samurai Master Sword. Okay, I kinda prefer the other sword. This one looks a little small for its size. This is the lower torso. Of course, you can just swing it out and you can swing forward. As usual, the Bulkarm series has really short legs. Alright, it almost looks like they are missing a part. But overall, articulation is great. This is the knee area. And you can actually move the shin part as well. Check out this part. This is actually the headlights for the vehicle mode. And of course, the wheels. These are really important, and you can move this part to convert it into the vehicle. One thing I gotta say is the PVC material for the wheels, and it moves really well and looks quite realistic. Other than that, nothing much. I don't really like the look, to be honest. It kind of looks like a mech on rollerblades. Let's just connect the two parts, and here we have the Bulkarm Glanz Red Alert. I'm gonna show you the vehicle mode. First thing first, you gotta remove the hands, the weapons, and also the shield. Alright, check out this part right here. You just have to attach it. Attach to the cockpit. So it's supposed to look like this, like a speedboat. And then the next step, you have to turn the arms to the back. And then you have to snap it forward at the waist area. And just turn the wheels to the back and adjust the feet. Alright, it moves pretty well, but you just gotta watch out on how you fix it up together. So one of the things that I realized is that you actually have to align the wheels together, but at the same time you can actually adjust the height and how tall you want your vehicle to be. And of course, the headlights are clear orange color headlights. Everything looks pretty good. You can actually attach the weapon on the side, the sword or the rifle. And here's the cockpit. One of the things that I have to say is that it can be a little bit flimsy at times, especially at the joints by the legs. I kind of wish that it is more sturdy. Okay, the archive card. Moruga, thank you so much. There's a governor here, which is pretty cool, and a bunch of information. I like to collect them cards like somebody collects stamps or postcards. Here's an album that I got from Daiso. Let's add this to my collection. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please click some buttons, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.